Finding time to exercise can often feel like an impossible task for most people, but what if I told you that incorporating just a simple daily walk into your routine could drastically improve your health? Whether you're aiming to lose weight, manage stress, or improve your heart health, walking offers a myriad of advantages for adults and health enthusiasts alike. So let's explore the compelling benefits that will make daily walking a powerful tool for enhancing overall well-being. Number one, it aids in weight management. Regular walking helps burn calories, helping to prevent weight gain and even assists with weight loss when combined with a solid, clean, balanced diet. It's a simple yet effective way to control body weight without the need for rigorous workouts, allowing you to recover and come back even stronger. If you've listened to any of my other videos, I've talked about Zone 2 training, which is a great way to burn fat, and walking falls perfectly into this category. By keeping your heart rate in Zone 2, which is a low to moderate intensity, where you're able to actually hold a conversation, you'll be burning fat efficiently without putting too much stress on your body. Truly think this is one of the keys to maintaining a long and healthy life, and incorporating daily walks can also boost metabolism, increasing the number of calories burned not only during the walk, but throughout the day. This means that even after you've completed your walk, your body will continue to burn calories at a higher rate if you are just being sedentary for the day. Number two, it can help reduce stress and anxiety. Daily walking has a significant impact on mental health. Studies have shown that regular exercise, including walking, can help reduce symptoms of stress and anxiety. This is because physical activity releases what's called endorphins, also known as the feel-good hormones, which can improve mood and reduce feelings of tension. I truly enjoy walking outdoors, which I think has the most benefits, not only getting some sunlight, but getting some fresh air, and it has a calming effect on the mind. So next time you're maybe feeling a little overwhelmed or anxious, why not step outside for a walk? You might be surprised at how much better you feel afterwards. Next, it helps improve cardiovascular health. Engaging in a daily walk is one of the best ways to support your heart. Walking can help lower your blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease and stroke. I would say 30 minutes a day can significantly enhance your cardiovascular health, keeping your heart strong and healthy. So if you do have a sedentary lifestyle, incorporating these daily walks into your routines is your first step to improving your heart health. Number four, it can help enhance cognitive functioning. Not only does walking benefit our physical health, but it also can have positive effects on our brain. Studies have shown that regular walking can improve memory, cognitive function, and creativity. This is because when we walk, blood flow to the brain increases, supplying it with oxygen and the nutrients it's going to need essential for proper functioning. So daily walks may also reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and diseases like Alzheimer's. Number five, strengthening your bones and muscles. Weight-bearing exercises like walking are vital for bone health. Walking increases bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis, and it strengthens muscles, improving balance and coordination. This makes walking an excellent choice for aging adults looking to maintain their mobility and independence. Lastly, number six, enhancing immune function. A strong immune system is your body's best defense against illness. Walking boosts your immune system by promoting the circulation of immune cells, helping to reduce the frequency of colds and other illnesses. So it's an easy yet effective way to keep sickness at bay. One of my clients, who I've been working with for about 1.5 years now with strength training, was having trouble losing those last 10 to 15 pounds. Well, I kept emphasizing the importance of getting up and moving and trying to take at least daily walks or every other day walks. He finally took action, and over the past 1.5 years has lost those extra 15 pounds, feeling great, having to get a whole new wardrobe, and it just goes to show you it's the little things that add up over time, and walking is one of those big movers that, if done over time consistently, can really make a difference. I highly recommend this for all my clients, and if you're looking for one-on-one support, feel free to click on the link below for a free 15-minute consult to see if you're a right fit for my program. So to conclude, incorporating daily walks into your routine is an accessible and highly effective way to improve your health. Whether you're seeking to manage your weight, boost your mood, or strengthen your heart, walking offers a myriad of benefits with minimal effort. Lace up your shoes, step outside, and take the first step towards a healthier body and a healthier mind today. If you want my step-by-step blueprint on how to get your body back to what it once was 10 to 15 years ago without rearranging your life, click the first link below. If you enjoyed this content, YouTube thinks you'll like this next video.